It's 2035. You wake up, grab your phone, and search for a job. Nothing appears, not because the economy collapsed, not because of a global disaster, but because artificial intelligence now performs every job on Earth better than humans. Doctors, engineers, teachers, pilots, even CEOs. For the first time in history, humanity has become optional. And surprisingly, unemployment won't be the biggest problem. The biggest problem will be something nobody saw coming. But the first jobs to disappear weren't factory workers. They were some of the highest paying professions on Earth. At first, it felt like paradise. Machines worked, humans lived. Then, something strange started happening. For thousands of years, work gave people more than money. It gave them purpose. Who are you when your profession disappears? What motivates you when survival no longer requires effort? Surprisingly, this crisis led to the most important discovery in human history. Humans stopped competing with machines and started becoming more human. AI produced efficiency. Humans produced meaning. By the end of the century, humanity looked completely different. Work didn't disappear. It evolved. AI replacing every job wouldn't mark the end of humanity. It might mark the beginning of something entirely new. Because if nobody needed to work anymore, what would give life meaning? For thousands of years, work was more than just a way to earn money. It gave people purpose. A doctor saved lives. A teacher shaped the future. An engineer built the world around us. People didn't just work to survive. They worked to feel useful. But now, AI was doing everything. Better, faster, cheaper. At first, the freedom felt incredible. People traveled more, spent time with family, learned new hobbies, explored passions they never had time for before. But for others, something felt missing. Without jobs, many people struggled to answer a simple question: who am I? For the first time in history, billions of people had unlimited free time, and many had no idea what to do with it. Humanity had solved the problem of work, but it had not solved the problem of purpose. Then, something unexpected happened. People stopped trying to compete with machines. Instead, they started focusing on things machines couldn't replace: human creativity, human experiences, human connection. Art became more valuable, sports became more valuable, exploration became more valuable. People no longer measured success by productivity. They measured it by meaning. Scientists pushed deeper into space. Artists created entirely new forms of expression. Inventors dreamed bigger than ever before. And slowly, society transformed. AI handled the work. Humans focused on living. By the end of the century, the world looked completely different. Cities were smarter. Technology was everywhere. Yet, the most valuable thing on Earth wasn't artificial intelligence. It was humanity itself. Because in the end, AI replacing every job wouldn't be the end of human civilization. It might be the beginning of a new chapter, a future where machines handle survival, and humans finally discover what they're truly capable of. Humanity on 2.0. The future may arrive faster than we expect. The real question is, are we ready for it? If you enjoyed this journey into tomorrow, subscribe to Tomorrow Theory and join us for the next question. What if humans never needed sleep? See you in the future.